how to transfer money from SafePal to Skrill. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I would teach you how you can transfer money from SafePal to Skrill. Now, as we all know, Skrill is like a proper bank account, right? I used to receive fiat currencies, whereas SafePal only receives and only process cryptocurrencies. So in order to make use of SafePal to send money to your Skrill account, the major way is to log in into your SafePal account first of all, and then select the cryptocurrency you'd like to convert. Because for you to be able to send fiat currencies, you have to convert your cryptocurrency to a fiat currency. And so for me, I selected Bitcoin, and then once you're on this page, next step is to select swap. And here, once you are brought to the swapping page, you would see the option buy and receive. So click on the receive tab and then select the fiat currency that you'd like to convert your cryptocurrency to. So after selecting the fiat currency and all of that, and you've selected the network as well, you'll be taken to the next page. So on this page, the next step would be for you to enter in the amount and all of that, and then the swap button will be available, so click on swap. The reason why my own is not available is because I don't have any cryptocurrency available on my account. But for you, once you see the cryptocurrency, once you have enough, the swap button will be available, so click on it, and then the cryptocurrency would be changed to a fiat currency. And then once you have it changed, the next step will be for you to select any cryptocurrency exchange that supports Skrill withdrawals. For example, Binance. So once you've selected that particular cryptocurrency exchange, ensure you create an account and then go to the deposit section and copy the deposit address for the fiat currency. So for example, I said Binance, right? So just go to Binance, and then once you're on your Binance page, you'll have to select the currency now, which in this case is USDT. All right, so after selecting the currency, you can click on deposit, and then you'll be taken to the page where you can now copy the deposit address. So after copying deposit address here, you can now go back to your SafePal. So just copy it. All right, so you go back to your SafePal, and then once you're on your SafePal, the next thing will be for you to click on send. All right, click on send, and then you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to paste the wallet address, enter in the amount you want to send, and then once the money has been sent from your SafePal to your Binance, log in into your Binance page again, and then click on withdraw. Select Skrill as the withdrawal destination, enter your Skrill account details and the amount you want to withdraw, confirm the transaction, and then wait for the funds to appear in your Skrill account. That's how it works. I'm sorry that I can't show you vividly. It's because I don't have any access in my SafePal account. But by following these procedures, you'll be able to transfer your money from SafePal to your Skrill account. Thank you for watching and have a good day.